Metamax investment review. So despite these claims, there are significant red flags that suggest Metamax may not be as legitimate as it appears. So the very first thing that I've noticed is Metamax Asian as per SEC advisory. This is not registered with the commission as a corporation or a partnership. Now, according to their website, MetaMax offers one-stop promotion and sales services to media companies, enabling users to earn income by completing tasks and investing in their financial products. So the tasks are like register as a member, receive tasks, complete them, and then earn commissions. So this is the red flags, this is the pros and cons. And then they also offer video reviews by earning it, to earn it by watching videos and providing ratings, sharing platform, financial investment products. I'm not saying that Metamax is a scam. They just provide unrealistic promises because no company is gonna give you a lot of money by just clicking few buttons or few ads. As what you can see, 90% of the reviews are bad comments. Now, if you want to invest or join Metamax, the very important thing to do first is to do your research after doing so. There are plenty of other investment options right there that has low risk and realistic returns, which doesn't include recruiting. But in the end, it's your call. But keep in mind to do not invest what you can't afford to lose. So that's my Metamax investment review.